don't know how long this video is going to be. There's a lot of technical difficulties, so we'll see what happens. And we have disturbed the piece. They are not going to be happy whatsoever. I just got some smoke in my lungs. I don't know if you can see that, but we've got some honey on this side. Some honey right there as well. And it looks like you probably can't see it, but we not only have pincher bugs that this place is being infested with, but we also have beetles. And we have a lot of beetles, so definitely it would be a good idea to get this hive treated. Wow, my camera has worked for almost a solid 2 minutes. That's a miracle. Usually it doesn't even last 13 seconds before it has to. Oh, sorry, recording stopped. Wow. That is just packed with honey from both sides. Of course, it's February, so we're not going to be taking any of the honey because the bees are going to be, at least I'm not planning to take any of the honey. You probably can't see because it's off camera, but I have a little spot over here that I'm putting all the frames in. So I'm kind of walking back and forth and also checking the camera occasionally to make sure it's working. Because this is my first time on camera operating a beehive, and I am no expert. Drone brood, as you can probably see right there. Probably won't see all the footage from this video because this is a massive hive. And this is our only one right now. Okay, so we have there's some smoke in my eyes, and that is not fun. So we have some honey and brood on the same frame. It's kind of scattered, and on this frame we also have royal jelly. I don't know if you guys can hear me well, but the quality, I'm trying to get the quality as best as possible here. Not sure. No, that doesn't look like a queen cell. I thought I saw a queen cell. Hopefully this camera's almost lasting the whole... Oh, we actually found the queen right here. Ah, you guys can't see it. Dang it. So we have the queen. She is on this frame. Let me find her again. We have some drones on here. We have some bees, because this is a beehive. Wow, that is incredible. I'm trying to find this queen again. Okay, I found her. Yep. I found her. Ladies and gentlemen, we got her. Important part is we have found the queen, and that is the first good sign. This hive definitely needs to be treated for something to get rid of these beetles and also to get rid of the pincher bugs. But this hive has honey, it has a queen, it has drone brood, probably a little too much, but it also does have some regular brood, so this hive I think will survive. It's a very strong hive. So my camera will die any moment now. Definitely off camera I will probably need to get the queen with something, I don't know. Just so we have her safe, so we don't have to worry about her escaping or getting crushed. I think that would be a good idea. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of brood on this frame. This is a brood frame. There's a little bit of honey on the corners, But this frame is just packed with brood, front and back, and also has some drone brood. So I'm actually going to leave this one right here. So we know she's on the top. The queen is at the top, so. Another frame of just brood on this side, and also brood on this side. Wow, the smoke is really getting into my face. Fantastic. It's still in my direction. Goodness gracious. And I've been waiting to get back into bees for literally the entire winter. And I don't know that much about bees, but I know enough, I think. If I have a question, I don't know, read a book or look up on YouTube. Yeah, I think there's definitely way too much drone brood. That's for sure. Looks like this is a still developing frame right here. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the sunlight, and also the quality of my videos are not that great, but it looks like they are still drawing comb here. I'm seeing some pollen in here, and yeah, that pretty much sums up that thing. I definitely would need to get something to get the queen so I know where she is at all times, because that is probably the most important part of this hive, is that queen.